Everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you a comparison between Dorik and Wix and just simply tell you which is a better website builder and for content creators and freelancers. So they are both AI website, and Wix has AI tools. That is one of the best features of Wix is the artificial design intelligent. This tool helps you to build a website in just a few minutes, and it's very simple and very easy to use. You answer a few questions about your website, about your business, and your AI does everything for you and just simply design your products, your layout, and your templates of the website, and just simply does all the things for you. While Dorik AI capabilities is a bit different, it doesn't have a tool like Wix ADI. It doesn't offer AI features that you can ask things from, but you will have to simply help you design your website quickly, but you'll have to do it yourself manually. So it does not have the automation feature of Wix, such as, and Wix has a lot of features such as the automation feature, for example, while Dorik keeps it simple and quick and does not involve AI that much and believes that humans are better than AIs. Their cost is always something that we need to think about. So Wix has different plans for different needs, and Dorik is on the other hand is a budget friendly option and is a lot cheaper than Wix. So yeah, this is a comparison between the two. Thank you for watching this until the end, and please remember, with a lot of money that Wix takes, Wix has a lot more features than what you want to say. The other brand I forgot the name of, Dorik. So yeah, keep that in mind when you're buying the subscription of either one. But Dorik is a more budget friendly option that gives you a more better deal in my opinion. So yeah, thank you for watching this until the end. Don't forget to subscribe the channel and like the video.